Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we're assembling the Amalfi 120cm round table. Inside the box, you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list, you will see screw-in feet. These should already be in the table legs. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box, you should have these components: 1 tabletop, 4 centre plates, and 4 table legs. You must ensure that the plates are connected in the correct fashion. Both ends should not be symmetrical, and the plate with the lip should be on the inside and further away from the leg. Here you can see I'm attaching the leg to the plate without the lip first, and then the plate with the lip. Once you have done this, loosely secure into the place with a big flat washer, big lock washer, and a nut. Repeat this process for all legs and plates, making sure you attach the plates in the correct fashion and all feet are facing upwards. Make sure the bolts are on loosely at this stage. On a soft, clean surface, place the tabletop face down and attach the bolts. Pro tip: when attaching these bolts, ensure the screwdriver thread is face up. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 bolts. Once completed, use a flathead screwdriver to tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten, as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. The next step is to align the base to the top, then attach using the big flat washers, lock washers and a nut. Repeat for the remaining 3 legs. Now tighten all nuts with a 14mm spanner and then cover with the nut caps. And with the help of a friend, turn the table to the upright position. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.